old are you? Young?
22.
22. I thought Kman was like 30 something. 22, bro. And they look for you.
Yeah, bro. I had no money.
And then you became a singer, no?
Now I see best artist in Chile. Less than a year.
In less than a year.
11 months.
This happened last year, no?
Yeah, last year, March the 5th.
So that's why now you have many haters.
Yeah.
Because you grow very fast.
Yeah, rising fast.
And jealousy. So now you're afraid to go around alone, no?
No, in Trinidad, we go no way. Everywhere me go, me have to look over my shoulder. So.
Fuck. So you go with friends, no? You always go with a group. You don't go alone walking around.
No, not even with group. If me go police.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Yo, the Vinci Bridging, big up yourself, you know when I talk. Now, the video, it shows you how dread and deadly Trinidad is in one aspect. You understand? Because it shows you that when the man asks Kman Sixx if he moves around, you blatantly hear him answer. You understand? So when you watch the video, you will see. So that right there can raise them ear at the back of my neck, but I know all the things said, so I'm not surprised. But yeah, it's real down in Trinidad, real as it gets. Big up my St. Lucia friend, my Trini friend them, my Vinci friend, my Jamaican friend. Yo, me have friends all over the world, all over the Caribbean. I big up myself. Country girl, you think me forget about you, me not forget about you. But me I see which one I will more stubborn, cause me I reach out to you. But anyways, Kman Sixx, him do a little freelance interview with some white boy vlogger who come at Trinidad, and you know, I think it's very revealing, and it's a good insight into, you know, who Kman is really and truly. He's a simple young man, 22 years old. His music blew up bigger than what he expected. Him just caught between a rock and a hard place. You know, I'm not gonna talk about the interview. You guys can watch it. It's not a very long interview, but it is very revealing. In some way I feel sorry for him. Yeah, and it's just really kind of sad and unfortunate that that's the lifestyle with the music thing in Trinidad. You know, it's really a bummer and really sad. Yo, I hope Kman can rise above this, and I hope him can get some peace, dog, because it just doesn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? So sit back and watch the rest of the interview. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Very revealing about him, and thing humble youth. It don't look like him appreciate certain things, but I just the company when me know yo. As an easy.
Police. Me highest. The most wanted man in Trinidad.
In Trinidad?
Yeah.
But if it's bad if I make a video, no problem, no.
In hell, man.
Oh yeah, he's young, 22. Most wanted man in Trinidad.
Yeah.
Maybe one day movie. And he told me the story, man, before, that you were in a club and they shot your TJ.
Yeah. Pull up in a car, went in the restaurant, order with food, and we come out. We drive off, a car stop for me. Drive off, stop by the traffic light. Next 2 seconds, pa 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 pa.
No.
Pa 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 pa. Yeah. Jump wall.
They were shooting the car.
Behind me.
Like whatever, everywhere.
Yeah.
And what you do? You just
Yeah, me just pop no.
and then police came.
Yeah. Me get shot in my back there.
Wait, this is a bullet.
Yeah.
Are you joking?
Come through here. See that?
This is a bullet.
Yeah. No, come
through here. Come through there.
Come through there.
Yes.
Push through there.
Enter here.
No, man. So he entered through you.
Yeah, enter there and exit.
Have to cut my chest here, push out
What?
through.
Yeah, they have to cut him there and push out through one.
So you could be dead now.
Yeah.
He's smiling. Fucking hell.
Someone's they try to kill me on the highway too. Coming down, driving on the highway.
I will find that video and show him, boy.
Driver match gas, first time, driver dead one time. Right, second time though.
2 times happened.
Yeah. First time they shoot me, second time not as scratch.
Bro, if I was you, I would be out of Trinidad now.
Yeah.
Man, I would be in China.
No, there's a video with it when I tried to kill him the second time.
They made a video. That's fucking crazy. This guy's strong.
Friends went out.
And they ran with the guns.
4, 5, 6 gunmen coming,
Yeah,
boy.
on the highway. Around this time. Go with your right.
But why they want to come after you? Just jealousy?
Bad singer boy, me no know fucking why.
And people love you, know? Love your music.
Yeah, everybody love, but that's few men, artists before me on the other side, not like a fucking tall boy.
Also, these people from the 7,
Yeah.
they also singing. And because you grew,
Yeah,
now they take...
them in the game 3, 4, 5 years now. Me come 3 months, me boss, reach on top of them. 4 months higher, 6 months higher, 8 months higher.
Guys, crazy stories, man. This guy is strong.
Yeah, he making us
Got shot.
as we speak.
He's still here alive, smiling. You live near to death and you smiling, you like strong.
He survived too. He was lineman. Next to the corner there. Gunman jump out.
How many?
Gunman, like 4. 2 guys got killed. He got shoot. 7 got shoot. He got shoot.
You also got shoot, man. What's going on? Fucking hell, bro. It was painful, no?
Yeah.
And you guys are warriors. No, you're not normal people. You're stronger than the average person. Ah, you the Kman. Yeah, that's it. Man, he told me what happened.